Norse mythology is a complex and fascinating system of beliefs that originated in Scandinavia during the Viking Age. It's a world filled with gods, giants, elves, and a detailed cosmology centered around the immense world tree, Yggdrasil. In this video, we'll explore the different aspects of this mythology, from the structure of the universe to the gods, creatures, and epic tales that define it. Let's begin with the cosmology. The Norse universe is divided into 9 realms, all interconnected by Yggdrasil, the world tree. This massive ash tree is the backbone of existence, its branches and roots stretching across the cosmos. At the top is Asgard, the home of the Aesir gods like Odin, Thor, and Frigg. Below it lies Midgard, the realm of humans, surrounded by a vast ocean inhabited by the world serpent, Jormungandr. Jotunheim is the land of the Jotnar, or giants, who often oppose the gods. Muspelheim, ruled by the fire giant Surtur, is a land of flame and destruction, while Niflheim, a realm of ice and mist, is associated with death and the goddess Hel. Other realms include Vanaheim, home of the Vanir gods, Alfheim, where the light elves dwell, and Svartalfheim, the realm of dwarves known for crafting legendary artifacts. Helheim, often overlapping with Niflheim, serves as another realm for the dead. Yggdrasil itself is nourished by 3 sacred wells. The Well of Urd is where the Norns, 3 mysterious beings, weave the threads of fate. Mimisbrunner is the Well of Wisdom, guarded by Mimir, whose knowledge even Odin sought. Lastly, Hvergelmir lies in Niflheim, feeding the roots of Yggdrasil with icy waters. The tree symbolizes life, death, and rebirth, connecting all realms and beings. Moving on to the gods, the Norse pantheon is divided into 2 main groups, the Aesir and the Vanir. The Aesir, led by Odin, are associated with war, power, and governance. Odin is the Allfather, a seeker of wisdom who sacrificed an eye to drink from Mimisbrunner. Thor, his son, wields Mjolnir, and a hammer that protects Asgard and Midgard. Loki, a trickster and shapeshifter, plays a dual role as both ally and adversary to the gods. The Vanir, on the other hand, are gods of fertility, nature, and prosperity. They include Njord, the sea god, Freyr, a fertility god associated with peace and harvest, and Freya, a goddess of love, beauty, and magic. The Aesir and Vanir were once at war, but eventually formed a truce, exchanging hostages to ensure peace. In addition to gods, Norse mythology is filled with mythical creatures. These include the Valkyries, warrior maidens who choose the slain for Valhalla, the Nidhogg, a dragon gnawing at Yggdrasil's roots, and Fenrir, a monstrous wolf destined to fight Odin during Ragnarok. Other notable beings include the Jotnar, often depicted as chaotic forces of nature, and the dwarves who crafted legendary items like Thor's hammer and Odin's spear, Gungnir. Norse mythology is also rich in epic tales. One of the most famous is the creation story, where the first beings, Ymir and Auhumla, emerged from the primordial void, Ginnungagap. Odin and his brothers killed Ymir, using his body to create the world. Another notable story is the theft of Mjolnir, where Thor disguises himself as a bride to retrieve his stolen hammer from the giant Thrym. Finally, we come to Ragnarök, the prophesied end of the world. Ragnarok is a climactic battle where gods, giants, and creatures clash, resulting in the destruction of the universe. Odin falls to Fenrir, Thor slays Jormungandr but succumbs to its venom, and Loki battles Heimdall. After the cataclysm, the world is reborn, and a new generation of gods and humans rises to begin the cycle anew. Norse mythology is not just a collection of stories, but a reflection of the Norse worldview, emphasizing the cyclical nature of life, the inevitability of fate, and the triumph of courage and resilience. By exploring its rich tapestry of gods, realms, and myths, we gain insight into the beliefs and culture of the Norse people, whose legacy continues to inspire us today.